almost 300 grand, up 60% this year, up 300 grand. And we're using Zipify Pages for our landers. We're using Zipify Pages for our email landers, all of it. And it's all tailored to our specific ads. Everyone, my name is Rich from Dutch Oven Kits. I'm out here in my shop. We've been working all day, getting Black Friday orders out the door. So our goal this year was average order value and returning customers. So that's, I mean, we're a gift. It's really hard for us to get returning customers, and it's expensive for us to get new customers, but it is what it is. So Zipify Pages. So we've been following Ezra's Black Friday Cyber Monday playlist, warming videos, like everything he talked about in the podcast, in the free Black Friday Cyber Monday emails, the videos, all of it. We just follow the whole damn thing. So we're sending everybody, we use Zipify Pages to build out this Black Friday launcher. And it's Cyber Monday right now. So people got 5 hours left. We're about to launch. One last email. We don't run sales. I know a lot of people do. We're a pretty unique product. We don't run sales. This is the first time we've actually ran a sale, and that's kind of what we're advertising. It's like, hey, this is the only sale you're ever going to see until New Year's. But they don't know that. But they got 5 hours left, and that's going to be the final email. 5 hours to go. The only sale of the year. Get it while you can. But we built out this whole Black Friday page on Zipify Pages. We added unique bundles, right? 2 unique bundles, $10 off plus free shipping. I'm not gonna tell you all the secrets. It's $75, they get free shipping anyway. But you advertise it, right? We don't normally give 10% off, but when you say, 10% off every order over $75 and free shipping, plus these exclusive bundles that you can't get any other time of the year, great stocking stuffer bundles, 3-pack holiday soaps, these are discounted, and it shows it on the page. And then we're just like, hey, $10 t-shirts, get it. We're trying to clear them out. I've kind of arrived at, one single template that we just copy and paste here into our product pages, right? I used them to just create these bundles. These are our Black Friday bundles, right? And a lot of this was just copied from, I just saved these blocks to favorites, imported them in. The stuff literally took me 10 minutes. I don't have time. I know you don't have time. 10 minutes, right? Through a counter and order now, it disappears in 5 hours. It did it for me, right? Zipify Pages has made our website. It is leveled up our website, how our website looks. And then the store normal homepage down below. So I just put everything Black Friday related up at the top. Super simple. And then when I go in, I'm just gonna hide it. I'm not gonna do it now because I still want people to buy stuff. But yeah, and all these link back to our Black Friday pages, our Black Friday lander, or the accessory bundles, depending on what they're clicking on. Yeah, super simple. Like I said, Zipify Pages is like absolutely leveled up, like the professionalism on our site. It's made a huge difference. OneClickUpsell, like it's just like a net to catch your money. Like for real, I'm not even exaggerating. $2. Every person that checks out, every person that initiates checkout, an extra $2. Cool. And so, I mean, it's working. See right here, 60%. I mean, look at that. So, returning customer rate, I mean, I would like to see that much higher, but you know what, up 8% over the year. Absolutely. 11% average order value, 100% because of upsells. Absolutely. Like every bit of this 11% upsell, one-click upsell, right? Conversion rate down. It is what it is, right? 44% more orders. This is literally Cyber Monday right now. So as of Cyber Monday, 2022, 44% more orders than we've had last year. And so we've been, and if you look at the average order value, we've been able to take advantage of every one of those extra orders that have come in. If you're on the fence, don't be. One-click upsell, Zipify Pages. We'll plug Smart Marketer because we're here, right? It works.